your first home should feel like a fresh start. And 118 Foxworth Trail delivers exactly that. Set on a full 1-acre lot in peaceful Nashville, Georgia, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home offers 1,958 square feet of space to grow, breathe, and truly settle in. From the moment you step inside, you'll appreciate a layout designed for real life. Cozy evenings at home, family dinners, and weekends spent relaxing instead of rushing. The spacious living areas flow effortlessly, making everyday living feel easy and comfortable. The primary suite is your private retreat, a place to unwind and recharge, while the additional bedrooms offer flexibility for family, guests, or that home office you've been dreaming about. Step outside, and the possibilities open up even more. With a full acre of land, there's room for kids or pets to run, space for a garden, fire pit nights under the stars, or simply enjoying the peace and quiet that comes with country living. Located in a USDA-eligible area, this home may offer qualified first-time buyers an affordable path to homeownership with low or even no down payment options. And while it feels like a peaceful escape, you're still just minutes from schools, shopping, and downtown Nashville, giving you the perfect blend of small-town charm and everyday convenience. If you've been waiting for the right place to start your homeownership journey, this is it. Schedule your showing today and take the first step toward calling this house home.